Hello, I'm Kirti Ratna. Through my YouTube channel, I'm going to share my GIS knowledge with you. For that, today lessons will be explain creating a shapefile. I will make another video for the software demonstrations later. Let's dive into our lesson. We should know these topics before creating a shapefile. What is a shapefile and what are point, line and polygon feature classes and how to create a shapefile using ArcGIS, and finally I want to add projection for your shapefile. Actually, shapefile is a method of storing geographic features. It has geometric location and attribute as well as topology. SHP extensions we use for the identifications of shapefile. This is actually a vector data representation. When we create shapefile, we can identify three major feature types. One is point. The second one is line. Finally, polygon. Actually, point is a single XY coordinate. Sometimes there may be a third value. It's called Z value. Then line is a set of connected points. Finally, polygon is a closed line like this. This is one example for the point shapefile. The point shapefile has a name. It is a feature class name. It is displayed on table of contents. I am here added two point shapefiles to the table of contents. Then you will have attribute information inside the table of your shapefile. There is a topological features you can see through the data view. This is an example for the polygon shapefile. It has topological features here and attribute inside the table and same as name on the table of content. If you can see through the catalog your shapefile, it is easy to locate where your shapefile is located. If you can see your shapefile through the Windows File Manager, this type of set of files you can identify for the one shapefile. This set of files actually represent a shapefile. There are different extensions for the same name. SHP, DBF, XPX, PRJ. Likewise, you can identify several extensions files for one shapefile. If we go to our catalog view, it is easy to understand our one shapefile has a one name. Now you can understand one shapefile has set of files. Now let's see how to create a shapefile using ArcGIS. I'm here use ArcGIS 10.3 versions. Firstly, I want to explain how to create a shapefile using our Arc catalog windows. This is our Arc catalog windows, and inside our catalog windows, I navigate here our working directory. When we right click on our working directory, there's a command new, and we can direct to go shapefile. This method is very easy to create a shapefile. Then we can find another method to create shapefile using Arc toolbox. Inside our Arc toolbox, there is a data management tool. Inside the data management tool, there is a feature class. Inside feature class, we can identify create feature class tool. When double click on this feature class command, it will appear these type of windows. Providing these informations correctly, we can easily make a shapefile. Also, we can use search panels to find out our tools very easily. We can simply go search and type our tools names inside this search box, and it will direct suggestions, and clicking on this create feature class letters, it will appear our creating feature class window. Also, if you click on these green letters, it will navigate where our feature class tool is located inside catalog windows. Finally, we have to define a projections for our shapefile. There are various types of coordinate systems available in the world. It is a huge number of coordinate systems we can find throughout the world. But we should define our projections according to our requirement. If not, it is a useless thing. So you have to understand what projections should be added to our shapefile. In my exercise, I will use WGS 1984 World Makemeter projections to our work. Finally, I will explain how to create point, line, and polygon feature class through another video. I think today my lessons will wind up now, and I will hope to meet you with another lesson for the creating these type of feature class. Until that, I will hope to give you a nice and bad comments about my work. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.